Welcome to our channel. If you want to activate Max on your Amazon Fire TV and link it to your account, follow these step-by-step instructions to start streaming HBO, DC, and more. Step 1. Turn on your Amazon Fire TV device and ensure it is connected to the internet via Wi-Fi or Ethernet. Step 2. From the Fire TV home screen, navigate to the search icon or use the Alexa voice remote to search for the Max app. Step 3. Type Max in the search bar or say Max app into your Alexa remote. Step 4. Select the Max app from the search results and click Get or Download to install it on your Fire TV. Step 5. Once the app is installed, open it from your Apps and Channels section. Step 6. The Max app will display an activation code on your TV screen along with instructions to visit max.com, activate. Step 7. Using a computer, smartphone, or tablet, open a web browser and go to max.com, activate. Step 8. Log in to your Max account using your email and password. If you don't have an account yet, sign up for a subscription first. Step 9. Enter the activation code shown on your Fire TV screen into the provided field on the website. Step 10. Click Activate or Submit to complete the linking process. Step 11. Return to your Fire TV and wait for the Max app to refresh and display your personalized home screen. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.